Alright, today we're going to be learning about basketball, percentage of shots, and just how to play.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Looking at Weston's results, from position A, he got 1 out of 5. From position B, Weston made 3 baskets out of 5. From position C, Weston made 2 baskets out of 5. Adding up the total ratios, Weston made 6 shots out of 15. So what is the percent total of baskets that Weston made? 6 over 15 is equal to x over 100. Cross multiplying, we get 600 is equal to 15x. Dividing each side by 15, we find x equals 40%.
So in trial 1, looks like I shot 40%.
Cause all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah.
Looking at Allie's results from trial 1, at position A, she made 0 out of 5 baskets. From position B, she made 1 out of 5 baskets. From position C, she made 1 out of 5 baskets. Adding up the ratios, Allie made 2 baskets out of 15. So what is the percent of baskets Allie made total? 2 over 15 equals x over 100. Cross multiplying, you get 200 equals 15x. Dividing each side by 15, x equals 13.3%. Allie made 13.3% of her baskets.
So I made 13.3% of my shots.
Win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there.
In trial 1, Brittany made 1 out of 5 at position A, 1 out of 5 at position B, 1 out of 5 at position C. Adding up the ratios, Brittany made 3 shots out of 15. So what is the percent of total shots made? 3 over 15 equals x over 100. Cross multiplying, we have 300 equals 15x. Dividing 15 by both sides, x equals 20%. I made 20% of my shots.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
In trial 2, calculating the results for Weston, Weston made 4 out of 15 shots. This equals 26.7% shots made. For Allie, she made 3 shots out of 15, which equals 20% of shots made. For Brittany, she made 7 out of 15, which equals 46.7% of shots made. Looking at the total percent of baskets made. For Weston, in trial 1, he made 6 out of 15. Trial 2, he made 4 out of 15. The total, he made 10 shots out of 30 shots. The percentage is 33.3%. Allie made 2 out of 15 for trial 1, 3 out of 15 for trial 2, and the total is 5 shots out of 30, which equals 16.7% shots made. For Brittany, She made 3 shots out of 15 for trial 1, 7 shots out of 15 for trial 2. Total, she made 10 shots out of 30, which is equal to 33.3% shots made. When finding the total percentage of all 3 players and their shots made, you add up the ratios of each player. 10 out of 30 for Weston, 5 out of 30 for Allie, 10 out of 30 for Brittany, which equals 25 shots made out of 90 shots taken. To find the percentage, we use the ratio 25 out of 90 is equal to x over 100. Cross multiplying, we get 2,500 equals 90x. Dividing by 90 on both sides, x equals 27.8%. This means that combined, all 3 players together made 27.8% of their shots. Based on the data, who was the best at shooting 2-pointers? Weston made 33.3% of his shots. Allie made 16.7% of her shots. Brittany made 33.3% of her shots. Weston and Brittany have the same percentage. This calls for a
shoot-up!
Looking at the shoot-off results, Weston made 5 out of 9 of his shots. That's 55.6%.
Clutch City.
Wow. Brittany, she made 1 out of 9 of her shots,
Joke.
which equals 11.1%. The winner is Weston.
Yeah!